Hello friends, this is Keval Shah here from Affleo Consultants. So as you all may know that the government has notified the much awaited SEIS scheme for the financial year 1920. However, it must be noted that there are quite a few changes in the scheme for financial year 1920 as compared to the earlier years. So in this video, we will discuss all the important changes in the terms and conditions one by one. So let's get started. So the first major change is that the government has removed certain services from the eligible criteria list which were previously eligible. The list of such services include cargo handling services, support services for maritime transport, management consulting services, technical testing and analysis services. So therefore, all the above services will not be eligible to apply for financial year 1920. So the second major change is the reduction in the benefit rate. The SEIS incentive for financial year 1920 is given in the range of 3 to 5% of the net foreign exchange earned, which was earlier in the range of 5 to 7% of the net foreign exchange earned. Therefore, effectively, the SEIS rates for financial year 1920 have been reduced by 2% as compared to 1819. In the previous financial years, select services were available for the SEIS scheme even if the inward remittance was received in Indian rupees. The list of such services was notified in Appendix 3E. But for financial year 1920, the government has removed the Appendix 3E clause, and therefore it means that all the services that has received inward remittance in foreign currency will only be eligible to claim the benefit. The fourth important point to note is that due to the lower fund allocation owing to the COVID-19 crisis, total entitlement per IEC is capped at Rs 5 crore for financial year 1920. It means that one IEC cannot take benefits of more than 5 crore for the financial year 1920. The last and the most important point to note here is that the last date of applying for SEIS scheme for financial year 1920 is 31st December 2021. There will be no late cut provisions and the application shall get time barred after 31st December 2021. It effectively means that all the companies have only 3 months to apply for the 1920 SEIS scheme. The documentation and the application procedure for financial year 1920 will remain the same. We at Affleo Consultants are a team of DGFT experts having a rich experience of 10 plus years in the domain. We have an exposure of at least 5 clients in each service sector, be it business services, engineering services, travel or transport related services, having in totality almost 100 plus SEIS clients across the country. Our hands-on experience in filing SEIS claims for different service sector will make the SEIS application procedure much easier for you. We have been successful in maintaining a track record of disposing 90% of SEIS claims in less than 45 days of their online application. SEIS scheme can be claimed backdated for last 3 years as well. So if you have already exported your services and yet not claimed the benefit, or if you have already applied and stuck in the application procedure, then please fill the form below and get in touch with us now. We can help you with the sale of SEIS licenses and scripts as well. Thank you.